In Williamson synthesis, the participant alkyl halides should not be secondary or tertiary. This should be what? Alkyl halide should be only primary. This concept is very important competitive bit. If secondary and tertiary alkyls, if you are taking secondary and tertiary alkyl halides favor for the dehydrohalogenation. Due to dehydrohalogenation, chance for getting alkenes. This concept is important. So in this method, participant alkyl halide should be what? Primary. So let us take one example. CH3ONA. CH3ONA is alkoxide plus, if halide is tertiary, what happens? You can check. This is primary and this one tertiary. If you are taking the compound, just see the reaction. CH3 double bond CH2 plus this NaCl and CH3OH. So this is the alkene. So anyway, second tertiary alkyl halides favor for what? Dehydrohalogenation. Here hydrogen removed, here halogen removed. So getting what? Alkene. And another important point, due to steric hindrance, even secondary alkyl halides also gives prepare for elimination reaction. Elimination reaction means dehydrohalogenation. Elimination reaction, dehydrohalogenation. So secondary alkyl halides, due to steric hindrance, instead of substitution, elimination takes place. Top priority for elimination reaction. See the one reaction, CH3CHBr CH3. This is isopropyl bromide. This is secondary one. Reacts with sodium ethoxide. Here there is a chance for getting CH3CH double bond CH2 is propene. This is 80%, and there is a chance for getting CH3 okay, CH3OC2H5. This is ether. There is a chance for getting 20%. So overall conclusion is, primary alkyl halides restrict primary alkyl halides only more favor to produce ethers in Williamson synthesis. Secondary alkyl halides gives 80% of the product is alkene, 20% of the product is ether due to steric hindrance from secondary alkyl halides. If tertiary alkyl halides, if you are taking 100%, you will get alkenes only. Next, another concept, while preparing aromatic ethers. While preparing aromatic ethers. Aromatic ethers. Here two more points, very important. During the preparation of aromatic ethers, the participants are what? Alkyl halide and alkoxide. Definitely alkyl halide should be RX and alkoxide should be phenoxide, ARO. This concept understood? This only can be used. And ARX, concept understood? ARX, RO cannot be used. This is the very important bit. During the preparation of ethers, aromatic ethers, from the alkyl halide and alkoxide, alkoxide should be phenoxide and this is alkyl halide. Let us create a reaction. See the reaction, you will get very clear picture. See the reaction. This is phenoxide, sodium phenoxide plus CH3I gives rise to, everyone can expect the product, OCH3 plus NaI. This reaction is right. This is oxide, this is alkyl halide. This one understood, ARONA, and this is RX. And just observe very clearly, I plus CH3ONA is no reaction. This is the very important bit. Unless and until one exceptional case is there, if alkoxide at ortho para position, if electron withdrawing groups there, then possible. Electron withdrawing groups are there, reaction is possible. So just you see the exceptional example. CH2Cl, this is a halogen, and see this concept very clearly. Alkoxide na? If this position linked with electron withdrawing group, here NO2 at para position, if this is electron withdrawing group, electron withdrawing group, electron withdrawing group at ortho and para position, you will get ethers. Which one? You just think the reaction. CH2O okay. This is possible. This is exceptional example. If electron withdrawing group and benzene ring at ortho and para positions there, this is possible. Now I am giving 2-3 important questions for the competitive examination. Just see the first one. CH3 ONA plus CH3Cl, and reverse I am taking. CH3ONA plus ClCH3CH3CH3. From these two combinations, everyone see properly. This is primary, this one tertiary. This is tertiary, this one primary. Expecting ether is CH3, 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 OCH3. Which one is right? Which, this first method right or second method right? Participant, this is alkyl halide, this is alkoxide. So alkyl halide should be primary, alkoxide should be tertiary. So this is the right one, this is the wrong one. Understood? And similar way, I am going to give one more example. See properly. See properly. This is the phenoxide plus CH3Br, and reverse Br plus CH3ONA. From this combination, getting ether is what? So which combination is correct one? While preparing aromatic ether, phenoxide should be what? Alkyl halide and phenoxide is a compulsory one. So this one is right process, this one is wrong process. So everyone understood? This is right one, this is wrong one. Similarly, one more example also I am going to give here. Very important for the competitive examination. CH3ONA alkoxide and vinyl double bond there, and reverse double bond ONA plus CH3Cl. So from these combination, getting ether is double bond COCH3. Here alkoxide should be more favor for the double bond one. This is wrong one, this is not suggestible one, and this one is suggestible one. So this is the Williamson synthesis concept. I will try to send some competitive bits based on this. Just see this video, and same material I will try to forward in your group. Okay, take care, bye.